Want to save time and money while keeping creative control using high-quality materials? Welcome to Basics of Framing Your Watercolor Artwork using American Frame products. It's simple, and you can do it. Let's get started. First, measure your artwork. Accurate measurements are essential for a perfect fit, showing what you want and excluding what you don't. Next, visit AmericanFrame.com. Use the website's preview tool to see how your artwork will look in different frames and mats. This virtual mockup helps you visualize what's possible, because it's your art. American Frame offers a variety of matte colors to choose from. For demonstration purposes and ease of design, we're using our default white. Now, let's mount your piece. It's straightforward and we'll guide you through it. Using American Frame's mounting board, secure your watercolor in place. Ensure it's centered and smooth. Using linen tape, peel half the length off on one side and fold. Place it on top of your piece by the corners, and we suggest using a burnishing tool to smooth and effectively set the adhesive. With both sides done, flip it over and center the image you want to see through the mat. Take your time here, and be sure to measure and center the image, not the paper edge. This step should take the most time. It can be helpful to weigh down your art while making these small adjustments. Check to see that your mat lines up, and once you are completely satisfied, remove the backing from the linen tape and place another piece of tape over it, forming a T shape. Do this to both corners of your piece. There's that burnishing tool again. Did I say we recommended it? Yeah, it's pretty great, and you can get one on our site. Anyway, put your mat back on, this time fully committing. Peel and stack acrylic on top of the mat. This is now your art stack. Look at you sounding professional. Before placing your art stack in the frame, ensure a nice clear view of your artwork. Position the frame face over your stack and take a final look. And flip it over. You can use the clips provided or secure using a point driver. Position one spring clip at each corner and at the midpoint of each side. Flex the clips as needed to put pressure on the backing board. If using the wire hangers provided, mark a position for each hanger on the back of each frame side, typically a third of the distance from the top as shown. Fasten hangers with the screws and loop wire in between them, and twist at the ends to secure. Adhere the wall protectors to the bottom corners and voila! Ready to hang. For more tips and guidance, visit AmericanFrame.com or contact our friendly customer service team. We're always here for you, here for the art.